Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the mainboard connector flex on the Amazon Fire HD10 2023 model. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and then proceed to remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, start by creating a gap near the charging port or along the side using a plastic picker or car pry tool. And then gently work your way around the edges to release the plastic clips securing the frame. Ensure all clips are released and then free the back cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working main flex from the body. First, lift both FPC connector latches and carefully slide out the faulty main flex from the logic board and small board. Next, place the new main flex and secure it on the logic board and small board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, align the back cover with the body, starting from the top corner. Press gently but firmly until you hear the click sound. Continue the process around the frame. Gently apply even pressure along the seams to secure all clips. Ensure all clips are secured without any gaps. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.